Hello students. In this problem, the axis of a parabola is given and the distance of the vertex and the focus are given distances from the origin. Now we need to identify the equation of this parabola. Okay, so let us draw a diagram and then understand what is going on here. Okay, so this is let's have our coordinate system x, y, and this is the axis. Okay, so y is equal to x is given as the axis of the parabola. Okay, the distance of the vertex is root 2. Okay, so if origin is O, let's say the vertex is here, OA is given as root 2 units. So if you project it onto x-axis and then y-axis, you know y is equal to x forms an angle of 45 degrees with the x-axis. So we can clearly see the coordinates of A, okay, are if I take root 2 cos 45 and then sin 45, I am sure you know this. So the coordinates of A will be simply 1 comma 1, and the focus is at a distance OS. This is at a distance 2 root 2. And then again, if you project it onto x-axis and y-axis, you will get the coordinates of the focus, which are clearly 2 comma 2. Now the distance between the vertex and the focus, which is our A, can be obtained using the distance formula here clearly, and I think it is very obvious. So this is 2 root 2 and then this is root 2 again, right? So this is clearly root 2. Okay, so the focus is at a distance root 2, so the directrix should also be at a distance root 2. Okay, so that means the directrix of the parabola here must pass through the origin, because take a look at the focus. The focus is to the right of the vertex, so the parabola is opening along this y is equal to x line upwards. Okay, so let me draw the parabola so that we understand what is going on. Okay, so this is the parabola. Okay, and the directrix is at a distance root 2 from the vertex, so this is our directrix. Okay, now I think we can go to the definition of the parabola, right? So how can I get the equation of the directrix? So it is at right angles to y is equal to x, and then we know the equation of this line is y is equal to minus x, or I think we can write this as x plus y equal to 0. And then if I take a point P on the parabola, so let's say that is x comma y, I can just use the definition of the parabola. So this distance SP should be equal to the perpendicular distance of that point to the directrix. Again guys, I'm not drawing anything to the scale, so this distance does not really look equal to PS, but I'm hoping you get the point. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so SP is equal to PM. So the how do I get SP? It is square root of, I have okay, now we need to use these coordinates. Okay, so the focus is at 2 comma 2. Okay. So I have x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Okay, so how do we get the perpendicular distance? PM. This is, I'll just substitute x and y in this equation, so I think it'll just stay x plus y, and then divided by square root of, let's say 1 square plus 1 square. Okay, now in the on the right hand side, in the denominator we have root 2, so we can square on both sides. Let's say, okay, if I square on both sides and then I open up everywhere, so I get x square plus y square, and then I have minus 2x minus 2y, so there is a 4, there is a 4, so that is 8. Okay, and then I'm squaring on the right hand side as well, so I have x square plus y square plus 2xy by 2. Okay, now if I can bring this here, I have 2x square, 2y square, so if I can let's say clean it up a little, x square plus y square will be left, and I can bring this 2xy to the left, so that is minus 2xy, and we have this minus 4x minus 4y plus 16, so this is 0. Okay, now I think we need to identify the equation here. Okay, I might have done a small mistake. Okay, what is the mistake here? Yeah, when I opened it up, I think this is not minus 2x. Okay, so these will be okay. So okay, sorry about that. I think there will be 4x and then 4y, so we should get 8x and 8y. And then I think we are almost done. So if I take the first three terms, I think I can write that as x minus y whole square, and the rest of the terms I'll just send it to the other side and then take 8 common. I'll get x 8 into x plus y minus 2. So we clearly see that the answer is A.